Welcome Abugeli. Today we'll bring only 15 odds. 15 odds, and it will be quick for today. It's just your lunch box. We are giving you a lunch box. We are in England, where Aston Villa is welcoming Newcastle. Just there, give handicaps of 2 goals to Newcastle. The second one is Chelsea against Brighton. We know what is happening to Chelsea, so we'll give 2 handicaps to Brighton. The third one is Everton versus Fulham. Again, they give 2 handicaps to Fulham. The fourth one is Southampton versus Crystal Palace. Just give 2 handicaps again to Crystal Palace. Another one is Hotspurs versus Bournemouth. Just give a draw, Hotspurs and a draw under 4.5. Another one is Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Brentford FC. And then give the Brentford FC 2 handicaps. Another one is Manchester City versus Leicester City. Just give the Man City over 1.5. Man City and a draw over 1.5. Another one is Bayern and Hoffenheim. We know what is happening to Bayern. They are no longer bullies. To be safe, just play win-win over 1.5. Another one is Borussia Dortmund is FB against Borussia Dortmund. Just give it a chance, Dortmund and a draw under 4.5. Another one, Villarreal against Real Valladolid. Just give the double chance again, Villarreal and a draw under 4.5. Another one is Bologna FC versus AC Milan. Just a draw and AC Milan under 4.5. In Italy, the league leaders Napoli versus Hellas Verona. Just give Napoli a draw under 4.5. Thanks for today. It's 15 odds, 89. Now don't forget to subscribe to our xhosa TV. Have a nice weekend.